Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a Mailchimp sign-up form to your Wix website. This integration allows you to collect email addresses directly from your site visitors, helping you build your subscriber list effortlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you to the main area where all your site management happens. From here, you can see all the websites associated with your Wix account displayed in front of you. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to embed your Mailchimp form. This step is important if you manage multiple sites, as it ensures you're working on the correct project. Once you've found the right site, you're ready to move forward. Now, on this page, locate the Edit Site button. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. This action will direct you to the Wix Harmony editor, which is where all your customization and design work takes place. The editor is the heart of your website building experience, giving you full control over layout, content, and functionality. Once you're inside the Wix Harmony editor, look toward the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the plus Add Element menu. This is your gateway to inserting various elements into your site design. Click on this menu, then look for the All drop-down option. From the expanded list, locate and click on the Embed element. This feature allows you to integrate external code, which is exactly what we need for the Mailchimp form. In the Embed options, look for the Embed Code element and double-click on it. You'll immediately see it added to your site designer canvas. Now comes the crucial part. To input your Mailchimp sign-up form embed code, double-click directly on the Embed element you just added. A customization settings menu will pop up on your screen. Under the section labeled Enter HTML Embed Code, carefully paste the sign-up embed code you've copied from Mailchimp. Once the code is pasted in, click Apply to finalize the integration. And that's it. Your Mailchimp sign-up form is now embedded on your Wix website, ready to start capturing subscriber information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.